everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Koparkar. So today I'll be showing you very beautiful soft silk sarees. Soft silk sarees are back in stock. We had a tremendous response in our exhibitions, in our Pune and Mumbai exhibitions, and in our online sale, pre-Diwali online sale that we had announced. So here we are with a all new collection in raw silks, beautiful colors, beautiful patterns. So let's begin. This is the first one, a very pretty sage green kind of a color. It's a dull pista green, if you ask me, sage green, and it has very fine butti all over it. This that butte, very fine butta all over the sari. There are no borders to most of these saris. There are no borders. So yes, this is the first one. Beautiful pastel green color, and this is the beautiful pallu. I'm just going to show you the pallu nicely. I hope you all can see it. The pallu has golden and silver zari in it. Okay, so this is the first sari. Price? Okay, 10,500 is the price. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. This is the sari. Let's move to the next one. The next one is a beautiful sky blue. We never had this sky blue, this shade of sky blue earlier. It's a proper nice fresh sky blue. It might look a little intense in the video. It's a nice pastel color. It's not at all dark deep. It has again very fine butta all over the sari in goldenish silver zari. It's neither to gold nor to silver, and the pallu has golden and silver zari. A very beautiful color. This is the sari, and this is the pallu. Okay, if you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. The price of this is also 10,500. Okay, let's move to the next one. 10,500. Okay. The price of the next one is also the same. Now this one has very elaborate butta. It is an intense peach color, a deep shade of peach. अबोली म्हणू शकतो आपण, ऑरेंजिश peach color. अबोलीच्या फुलांचा कलर असतो तसा कलर आहे. Beautiful shade. बुट्टा दिसला. Okay. And this is the lovely pallu. I hope you all can see the design on the pallu. Okay, I'll just come close and show you all the design. This is the lovely design on the pallu. Beautiful color, very rich color. Okay, this is the sari. This is the pallu. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. The price of this is 10,500. Let's move to the next one. The next is a beautiful dhoop chhaw. This is green blue dhoop chhaw, very pretty color. It's Rama green peacock color mix. Very pretty one. It has a nice paisley butta, koiri butta. Beautiful combination. Very subtle. The beauty of these sarees is that they are so subtle in design. They are so subtle and soothing that you can wear them at any and every occasion. Right from a casual lunch get together to a dinner party to a corporate event to an office event up to any wedding occasion as well, because if you just dress this up with nice gold jewelry or traditional jewelry, wear it with a brocade blouse, it is perfect for a wedding as well. And if you wear a nice casual collared blouse with this in plain fabric and wear maybe just a diamond pendant or something, it is perfect for any office event or corporate event. So these sarees are very versatile. They are in pure silk handloom and very graceful. So yes, this is the next one, a beautiful saree. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. The price of this one is 10,000. Okay, the next is a beautiful subtle lavender color, grayish lavender I would say. I'm just going to come close and show you the stunning motif on the saree. It is in golden and silver zari. A very beautiful shade. Color distoy chan. Okay, it's a very subtle color. So you'll see all colors are very subtle and beautiful. Now this is the pallu. It comes in golden and silver zari. Excellent pallu design. All these sarees, remember, all these sarees have self blouses, same colored running blouses. on the inner side, so you can choose not to cut the blouse and wear any mix and match blouse as well. The price of this saree is 10,500. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is a beautiful goldenish greenish brown color. Very pretty color. Now just look at the butta. Very beautiful butta in a nice round motif and small delicate butta as well. This is the saree. Beautiful color. And this is the stunning pallu. Very beautiful piece. The price of this is 10,500. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next saree. The next one is a very pretty Rani pink. Beautiful Rani pink. Just look at the motif. Beautiful motif. It's like a tree kind of a motif. A very pretty one in golden and silver zari. Very subtle contrast in gold and silver. The shades of zari are very nice, and this is the beautiful pallu. Very beautiful one. The price of this is 10,000. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the last saree of this video. Price 10,000. Okay. The price of this one is 10,200. I'll start showing the saree. A fresh green. I think I'll light banda karsa. Very pretty fresh green. Emerald green, I would say, but it's not a very blackish, deep, dark emerald green. It's a nice fresh emerald green with a diamond butta, and it has alternate design in the butta. So some of the butta are like this, okay, in golden and silver zari, and some of the butta are like this with silver on the outside and golden on the inner side, as against this, which is golden on the outer side and silver on the inner side. So yes, this is the beautiful gorgeous green saree. I love the diamond shaped butta on it, honestly. And just look at the pallu. Very, very beautiful pallu. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. The price of this one is 10,200. So yes, this was our last saree in this video. I'm coming up with one more video showing beautiful soft silk sarees. Stay tuned, keep watching. Thank you.